Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are discussing about the part of the speech. Noun is the first part of speech. This is the lesson number 1 of our course, that is English grammar course. So firstly we will describe what is noun. Noun is the naming word. Noun name things, person, place, emotions and so many other things. For example, girl, boy, sadness, happiness, iron, country name, city name, etc., etc. Next topic of our discussion is kinds of noun. First kind of the noun is proper noun. Proper noun is a proper name of a person, place, thing and any other thing. Specific types of the noun. This is the specific types of the noun. Proper noun एक ऐसा noun है या ऐसा word होता है जो कि describe करता है ख़ास शख्स, जगह या चीज़ को. For example, America. America is the name of a country and it is the proper noun. Next example is Sunday. Mostly the capital letters are used to write the proper nouns. First letter should be capital. And the next type is common noun. In common noun, these are the most basic type of the noun. It refers to the general thing, place or people. It means common nouns are the word that is used to describe the common name of person, place or things. These are most basic. It refer to general things. यानी common noun वो words होते हैं जो कि common name, person और place और things के name को describe करते हैं. There are some examples. Examples include the boy, country, apple, month, car, etc. The next type of the noun is possessive noun. Possessive noun are the types of the noun that show ownerships. It is used to describe ownership. These are mostly formed by adding an apostrophe as to the end of the word. For example, Bob's bike. Bob, then apostrophe and then S and bike. It means this is the bike of the Bobs. It is used to show the possession, ownership. For example, general's business, moon's brightness, fish's egg, house's roof, sun's light, सूरज की रोशनी, घर का छत, fishes के egg, moon's की brightness, general का business. Then we will discuss about the compound noun. Compound nouns are the words or a noun that is made up of two words or more than two words. It can be written as one word or can be written as two separate words by separation with hyphen, or can be separately. Two words can also be separate, but they are usually think as a compound nouns or compound words. Some examples of the compound nouns are toothpaste, sunlight and haircut, and there are so many other examples of the compound nouns. I hope so you will understand the compound noun. And the next kind of the noun is collective noun. Collective nouns are the nouns or the word that is used to describe the collection of things, group of pupils, group of animals, group of things. For example, a flock of birds, a herd of cow, a school of fish, army, a class, a team. These all are the examples of the collective noun. The name show collective noun का जो नेम है वही शो कर रहा है कि कलेक्शन को शो करेगा. The word that show collection is known as collective noun. The word that show groups is known as collective noun. The next part of our discussion is concrete noun and abstract noun. These are also the kinds of the noun. Concrete noun. What is the difference between concrete noun and abstract noun? Concrete noun are the noun that have a physical existence, but abstract noun are the noun that have no physical existence. For example, beauty, happiness, intelligence. Now we will discuss it. Concrete noun is a type of the noun that refers to something that human sense can observe, seen, felt and touched, जिसे हम छू सकें, जिसे हम देख सकें, जिसे हम महसूस कर सकें, जिसको हम ऑब्जर्व कर सकें. Human senses are the touch, see, smell, feel. These are the senses. Concrete noun are the words, are the nouns that can be sensed by the senses of humans. For example, coffee bags and so many other examples of concrete noun. Abstract noun are the type of the noun that can't be experienced with the five senses. It can only be feel. It it can be idea, concept and emotion. For example, desire, happiness, wisdom, loyalty and so many other examples of abstract noun. Next part of our discussion is material noun. It is the next kind of the noun. Material noun refers to something material or substance from which other things are made. For example, water. Water is a material noun. Material noun are mostly uncountable noun. They can't be counted and they mostly don't exist in the plural form. The other examples are the silver, gold, iron, steel. These all are the material noun from which any other things are made. The next kind of the noun is countable nouns. Countable noun are those words or those nouns that can be counted. For example, people, animals, things and so many other. They mostly have a singular form and plural form both. They can be used with numbers. For example, one bag, two bag, three bags, one book, two book, three books, one mice, two mice. Examples are following. I have just bought a new flat. There, a flat is a countable noun. I prefer cities to the village. Here, village is the countable noun. The child plays with toys. Toys are a countable noun. Toys is a plural noun and it's also countable noun. School is over there. School can be count. There are two mice in the storeroom. Here, the mice, two mice is the countable noun. The next kind of the noun is uncountable noun. This is the 10th kind of the noun. Uncountable nouns are things that can't be counted, that can't be divided into separate pieces. For example, air can't be divided. Air can't be counted. We can't count gases from which air is composed. We can't count the informations. We can't divide the information into separate pieces. Furniture, air, information is uncountable noun. Water is uncountable noun. It can't be count. इसके अलावा जो वाटर है, in spite of this, water is also a uncountable noun. Water is also a concrete noun. The next, any other example of uncountable noun is sugar. We can't count the part of sugars and we can't count the molecules of waters. So water, sugar, air, information, furniture, rice, these all are uncountable noun. The next kind of the noun, there are only two kinds of the noun that are remaining. The second last kind of the noun is singular nouns. Singular nouns, their name also describe their definition, and singular nouns are the nouns that describe a single word, single person, single place, single things, objects that describe something that is single. Mostly articles a or an or the is placed before the singular nouns. For example, mostly the number is also placed before the singular noun. For example, one car, two cake, a boy, an elephant. The second is plural noun, and this is the last one kind of the noun. We have already discussed about 11 kinds of the nouns, and this is the 12th kind of the nouns. In plural noun, we are saying that a plural noun is a noun that is used to represent more than one person, more than one place, more than one thing, more than one object. For example, pens, dogs. These are the examples of plural noun. That was all about our kinds of the noun. That is the first part of the speech. I hope so that you will understand this. Thanks for watching and listening me. If there is any confusion, you can ask me without any hesitation.